Residents of coastal communities in the Volta region may soon find relief from years of devastating tidal waves, following assurances by President John Dramani Mahama over the implementation of the World Bank-supported Waka project. The president gave the assurance during a visit to Fuveme in the Angoga district, one of the latest communities severely affected by coastal erosion and tidal waves. President Mahama also toured ongoing sea defense projects at Agavaji and Salakopa in the Kete South municipality, where construction works are expected to provide long-term protection for vulnerable communities along the coast. Speaking during the visit, the president assured residents that funds allocated for the project are available and intact, stressing government's commitment to ensuring the intervention is fully executed to safeguard affected communities.
But as the minister said, we protected the 150 million that is meant for the Waka project. So your money is safe and the project is going to go on. Some of the other World Bank projects stalled and the money is being repurposed for other important priorities. And so I just want to ask for your cooperation as we continue the processes.
Meanwhile, a member of the coastal CSOs from Sub-National Group in the Volta region, Vance Koku Adeche, welcomed the president's assurance but called for urgency in executing the project. He further urged government to engage experts and contractors who previously worked on successful sea defense projects in neighboring Togo and Benin to ensure durability and effectiveness of the intervention.
So we are now establishing, and we are happy that the president has now come clear that what the money is there, the money is safe, nobody has taken the money anywhere as it is rumored. And also we are also advocating for the president that we want this project to be, as a matter of urgency, to be undertaken quickly, so that coming from now, June, July, August, there will be tougher destruction by the sea tidal waves. This contract should not be given to just any contractor just like that. We need to build this contract on existing experience and what other people are doing as well, like the Gambia, Togo, Benin. The last time when this sub-national committee in the Volta region, as we call ourselves Waka Sierra Committee, we visited Togo and Benin. We see the good work that is done by the Boskali contractors over there. So we are also appealing to the government as a matter of seriousness that if this contract should be awarded to any company at all, it should be Boskali, because they have the equipments already.